Hi everybody. You are welcome to the English lesson. Today's theme is environment, ecological problems in Kyrgyzstan. Learning objectives. Students should be able to A. Learn the meanings of the words environment and ecology. B. Study ecological words and use them in their speech. C. Listen to the text and know the causes of ecological problems and suggest the ways of protecting nature. Give solutions by thinking critically. What is environment? The word environment means everything around us. When you look around yourself, you can see a lot of things. You can see roads, trees, houses, water, buildings, grass, flowers, living things, smoke, etc. All these things you see around are parts of environment. What is ecology? Ecology is a scientific study, the relationship of living things to the environment. Now we'll have the new words to talk about ecological problems. Ecological words. Air pollution. Use of harmful substances and smoke of the earth because of heavy industry, gases, coal, oil. This causes the planet to get hotter. They lead to global warming. Traffic. It is a situation on a road in which there are too many cars, trucks, buses, which can move very slowly or not at all. Water pollution. The act of polluting water. It causes health problems. Soil pollution or waste disposal. The things that we throw to our environment waste can be almost anything, including leaves, papers, bottles, chemical from the factories, plastic, fast food packaging, old cars, bicycles, and so on. Cattle overgrazing, eating too much grass, or the process of destroying forests. Glacial melting, melting of a mass of ice, which causes to global warming. Floods, when there is too much water, usually rain causes flooding that washes out bridges, roads, houses, etc. Mud flows, a large amount of mud sliding down a mountain. Landslides, earth or rocks falling down from a mountain. Now you'll have listening activity. You'll be informed the main ecological problems that are getting our republic sick, problems that are destroying our country. Listen to the text attentively. Exercise 1C, page 81. Although Kyrgyzstan is not a center of heavy industry, it has a lot of ecological problems. Nowadays, ecological research shows that air pollution is becoming a very big problem in the cities of Kyrgyzstan because of the sharp increase in traffic. Water pollution is also one of the biggest problems in Kyrgyzstan, especially in the south. In this region, people suffer from different waterborne diseases. In agricultural areas, people don't control the use of chemicals and water, which affects the soil quality and safety of food. cattle overgrazing has contributed to soil degradation and the disappearance of a large amount of grassland. Kyrgyzstan has uranium and gold mines that are also dangerous for the environment. They release toxic substances into the soil that can do a lot of damage too. The climate in Kyrgyzstan has been changing recently. Since the 1950s, there has been a significant rise of annual temperatures in this region. As a result, the threat of glacial melting has increased in Kyrgyzstan. It causes problems like mud flows, floods, and landslides. On the other hand, global warming in other regions of the country results in droughts and lack of water for the population. Let's check your ideas. You have to do exercise number 2, page 81. Your task is to mark true or false sentences. The first sentence. In Kyrgyzstan, there are a lot of plants and factories that spoil ecology. Now, students, think a little. Is it true or false? Yes, you are right. It is false. The second sentence. Traffic causes a lot of air pollution. How do you think of it? Is it true or false? Think, please. Yes, it is true. The third sentence. Water pollution is stronger in the south of Kyrgyzstan. Is it right? Yes, it is true. The last sentence, the fourth. Global warming causes a lot of problems for the environment. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Global warming causes a lot of problems for the environment, not only in Kyrgyzstan, but all over the world. That's all with this unit. I think the theme was understandable for you. Your home task will be exercise number 3A, page 82. The lesson is over. See you.